Are you unable to go out and catch Pokémon because of the environment? I will recommend PoGoskill Spoofer for you. PoGoskill is one of the best spoofer designed for Pokémon Go on Android and iOS. You can teleport, move through the plan, and use joystick in Pokémon Go without jailbreak. Now let's download and start the PoGoskill on PC. First, you need to connect your phone to PC and turn on the developer mode by following this guide. I will show you on my Samsung. Go to the settings and tap on About Phone. Go to Software Information. Tap on Build Number for 7 times to turn on developer mode. Now return to Settings and tap on Developer Options. Scroll down a little bit. Turn on USB debugging. Now PoGoskill starts to install Pokémon Go on your phone. You can log in Pokémon Go. You can start to teleport by search the address or select the point from map. Also, you can use single movement, multi-spot movement, and joystick to freely walk in Pokémon Go. Alright, this all for today. If you like PoGoskill, you can try it. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you guys.